Hello everyone, now we'll see how to create order list. First we'll see what is order list. Order list is used when you want to list the items like 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABC or in Roman letter. So to create order list, OL tag is used. By default, the list is in order form, in number form like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So to create order list, OL tag is used. Li is used to list the items. For example, you have to enclose all the list of items within OL tag, and Li tag is used to list the items. So Li tag you have to close. So very first it will give one number, then Li tag blue will be given as second number, then next Li green it will be given as 2. So this is output. But suppose you want to change the output, then that time what to do? Here suppose I want ABCD as output, so I will use here, because by default it is 1, 2, 3, 4, so I have to change the format. So I'll write here this way. Suppose I want in ABCD form, so capital ABCD, so enclosing double quotes, double quotes. Now here this will be capital A, capital B, capital C, so output will be this way. So here output will be like this, will be capital A, this will be capital B. You can see my previous videos where practically I had shown how to do these practicals. So you can go to my previous videos on order list. So this way you will get output. Suppose I want in small, that is in small letter, so write small a. So you will get here as output as small a, then small b, and small c. So this way small c. Suppose you want in Roman letter, then write here. Means you can use which format. You can use 1, 2, 3. By default it is 1, 2, 3. ABC, that is small, capital or Roman letter or capital Roman letter. So I want, suppose in Roman letter, I want it small. So I'll write here I double quotes. Okay, and this is small I will take. Small I double quotes. So here output I get, here it will be small I in Roman letter, here double I, that is second, and that is third in Roman letter. Same way for you can. So hope you understood. Subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.